Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to show you how to draw Goku. We have completed the outline. I have taken Faber-Castell 18 bi-color pencils, which is 36 shades. I have removed them out of the packet. So let's color it. I am coloring the face first.
You are now about to witness the strength of street knowledge. You are now about to witness the strength of street knowledge. You are now about
Now the cloth part. I am blending it with tissue paper. Now I am coloring the hair part with whiteboard marker and silver color pencil. Now the details of the face. For detailing, I have taken outline micron, which is 0.7. I am drawing outline with it to make it proper shaped. So guys, this is the final drawing. It is looking like this. If you like my drawing, like, share and subscribe my channel. I will soon come with my next video. So guys, if you like to do drawing, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications when I upload the video and you will be able to see the video very first. Till then, stay home.